YouTube fam. Appreciate y'all rocking with your boy, man. We back, man. We got another one today. Right now, we just got one. We staying local, picking up down south Miami, and we going shooting over to Tampa today. So I'm about to just put my pallet jack and my hand truck back in the truck from last night with the construction contract. Knock my pre-trip out real quick, and then we gonna hit it on the highway, man. We out here trying to stay busy, stay loaded, man. That's the plan. That's the name of the game. Y'all hit that like button, that share button, that notification bell, man. Fuck with your boy. Y'all jump in the comments. Let me know what kind of content you need. And we gonna keep it pushing, man. Appreciate y'all fucking with me, man. Y'all be safe on the road. All right, man. We out here. Down here at the airport, man. This shit is... Whew. This shit busy, boy. I know it ain't gonna be quick, but let's see what we gotta do. All right, y'all. It only took 2.5 hours to get checked in and get my door. Only 2.5 hours. We in the warehouse now. We just waiting on the freight to come down here. Alright, y'all, man. Like I say, man, long ass fucking wait, but we got loaded up. I was going to park the truck up, but the broker called me back and said that the receivers, that they're going to stay open later, so shooting up to Tampa now, get this dropped off. And hopefully on the way back I can find, grab another load or do some Amazon back down south or something like that. So I'm going to keep my eyes open on both loads, load boards, and see what we can come of that shit. That's about it now. We got 240 miles. We'll be over here in a little minute, man. I'm gonna tap in when we get up here, man. Man, we out here Tampa, y'all. Trying to get checked in. It's a little bit of a maze over here, but 2 doors down, 1 to go. There's gotta be the only door left. About to get up in here. Offloaded. Yeah. Alright, y'all. We out of there, had to double check. There was 4 pieces missing, so we just had to go run through it real quick. I wrote that down, and make sure y'all do that too. If anything's missing, make sure you note that, so that way they don't try to say it's something that you did. But we out of here, man. We heading back down south. About to go fuel up in a few. See what the obviously it's probably too late for DAT load more, but see if, what Amazon got going on. I actually got an Amazon load tomorrow, but we're gonna see what we got going on, man. Tap in a minute.